Have you ever been to a local street market or Tianguis in the middle of Mexico? And I usually come here 1 to 3 times a week. And every time I go there, you see fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and just a bunch of other things that I think you'll like to see. I'm usually the only foreigner there, or I've never seen any other foreigner there. So I think you're gonna like this if you're curious. So I just came from that street right over there. I'm literally just a block away from my Airbnb, so coming here is super convenient. There's the Tianguis. Tianguis are pretty much farmers markets in Mexico. They sell lots of different things here at good prices. It's usually cheaper than what you get at supermarkets. All right, I gotta go down these stairs. Oh man, it's a beautiful day today. Sorry, I had to stop the video for a little bit to replace the battery. So here we are in the Tianguis. It's pretty packed today. As you can see, there's all kinds of things here. They even got clothes here. Do you hear the music in the background? The beat that you hear, I think it's reggaeton. It's played a lot in almost every neighborhood I go to in Mexico City. You always hear that beat. There's some jewelry here. I think those might be DVDs. Not entirely sure. More clothes, shoes. Stuff that I don't buy here. They're selling meat over here to the right. Of course, they're selling fruits, veggies. Alright, right now I'm looking for a fruit stand to buy me some apples. I'm just looking for a place that sells nice, juicy looking apples. I don't have a favorite stand or anything like that. They're selling lots of different things here. I think those are hair ties. Socks right over here to the right. Purses. More shoes. To the right is where you can buy cooked food and just eat it here. Do you hear that organ playing in the background? That's another sound you hear a lot in downtown Mexico City. It's basically a live musician playing a music box, and they usually wear traditional attire. It's always a nice gesture to give some pesos to them if you're able to. They got some toys here for sale. More fruits. Lots of clothes here for sale. Here are some household items. They even sell pet supplies here somewhere. I think it's around the corner. These look good. Hola, buenos tardes. Is it okay if I film? Is it okay if I film? Okay. Gracias. Uno, dos. There's some apples here. These here. Yo. Gracias. Can I hold this?
Sí.
Okay, gracias.
Sí, sí.
Gracias. Yo. 2. 3. Okay. Alright, here. Gracias.
40. 40.
40. That's all I got. 100. Gracias. Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. So I just bought 4 apples for 40 pesos. I gave him 100 pesos and I just got back 60 pesos. Now I'm gonna buy me some nuts. The guy working here is super nice and accommodating.
La vuelta, vive allá por. ¿Qué te gusta por la maraca? Enrique fue el que más lejos se va a ver, dice.
Tan lejos.
Estamos muy cerca.
Pues qué bueno. Por la zona.
Qué bueno. Con la mapucha. Igualmente.
Hola, Buenos Aires. Hola, Buenos Aires. Hola. It's okay? If I film? Okay, gracias. Okay.
Digo que con 50 gramos.
40.
Sí, porque nada más la van a embarrar.
Buenas tardes.
¿Qué vas a llevar?
Hola, Buenos Aires.
A ver, enséñame ahí.
¿Tienen raisins?
Ok.
Sí.
¿Cuánto?
¿Kilo? I
Tú
don't know.
échale y él te dice.
Sí, gracias, gracias. Yeah, perdón, amigo. No, no
50.
hablo español, perdón.
Sí, nada.
Yeah.
A ver, en inglés, tú speaking.
Nah,
Sí,
yo no sé.
I don't know. Poquito. Yeah, sí, that's good. Sí, that's good, yeah.
Él te va diciendo cuánto.
Oh, más, por favor. Yeah, más. Más, sí. Sí, todo, yeah. Sí. Oh, me get it? Alright, there we
Gracias.
go. Uno más.
Más.
Sí, uno más. Yeah, bueno, bueno.
No, pues ya sí, así ya llegamos.
And raisins. Some sort of raisins. Raisins. This is good. Okay, can I try? Uno?
Sí.
Sí, vine a comprar mi verdura. Vine a comprar mi verdura para
Okay. That's
la
good, yeah.
semana. Ah, fíjate.
Okay. Okay. Half.
¿Todo bien entonces?
Sí.
¿Ustedes por allá?
That's good.
Aquí estamos. Aquí todavía siguen. Aquí todavía seguimos. ¿Vale?
Sí, total.
¿Todo?
Total, sí.
No sabemos.
¿Es
pero
cuánto
a lo
es,
mejor
pa?
sí.
Estas fueron 150.
30.
Esas fueron
Espérame,
Lo que pasa es que ayer ya ni te mandamos nada.
30 de almendra.
Estas fueron 230.
Y en lo que pusimos la cama y todo
230.
eso, ¿vale? ¿Pero todo bien?
69.
Ah, qué bueno, qué bueno.
100 gramos.
Ahora le puedes decir.
¿Es que pasa?
Sí, chica.
Órale, vale, vale. ¿Qué vas a hacer de comer?
109.
¿Sí, no?
Ah, qué rico. Órale, pues.
109.
109.
Órale, pues. Órale, pues. Cuídate mucho. ¿Vale? Órale, ahí nos estamos viendo el lunes. Va, órale, pues. Besitos, cuídate. Bye, bye.
Okay. Good.
Ok. Da un peso pa.
Muchas gracias. Gracias.
Sí, un ex.
Gracias.
See you next time. Hasta luego. Gracias.
Hasta luego.
Son 14 y 13, 27.
Muchas gracias.
Sí, a ti.
Hasta luego. Hasta luego.